Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Laplace transformation. So now I will show you how to answer. Before doing Laplace transformation for this one, so we have the formula in here. Sin A sin B equals to 1 over 2 cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. So we can apply the formula for this one. So we will have like this. So this one we have 2t. This one we have 14t. Next, 1 over 2 multiplied by this one and this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. And that should be about h over s squared plus a to the power of 2. So we have this one in here. Now we can apply for cosine 2t and cosine 14t. One over 2 we put outside. We change number 2 for the small 8 and we have h over s squared plus 2 squared. And the second one, and here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.